Okay, this is inventory number 2220. It's a 100-ton PHI 4-post up-acting press with multiple heated daylights. We're going to go ahead and run it through an auto cycle. The press will come up and go into low pressure. Once that timer times out, it'll kick over to high pressure. The operator does have to hold the buttons till the release light comes on, and then the press is closed with its closed limit switch and pressure switch, and it'll go through its cycle. So we're going to go ahead and run a cycle now. Okay, press is closed. We'll get a okay to release light here in a second. And we got an okay to release light. Now the press will time out on the low pressure. And now it's in high pressure. High pressure comes up to full tonnage, or it's adjustable wherever you want it. Once the timer times out for high pressure, the press will open back to the bottom position, ready for its next cycle. Press decompressed and open, goes to the bottom. That completes inventory number 2220, 100-ton PHI.